Hey kids, check out what KBD Toys TV picked up today. A 24-pack of colors Play-Doh. Let's check out some of the artwork on this box. It's covered. What about the top? It says Play-Doh, 24-pack of colors. Now that's a nice rainbow. Let's open it up, guys, and pour out all the cans. What a mess! Let's clean it up and count the cans. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24 cans of Play-Doh. Who can help me figure out what colors we have in our cans of Play-Doh?
Oh me, it's Elmo.
You want to help me, Elmo?
I would love to help you and show all the boys and girls what the colors are.
Thanks, Elmo.
Dark pink, orange, brown, magenta, pink, sky blue, dark blue, green, hot pink, white, light brown. All these colors are awesome. Cotton candy, light green, turquoise, green, red, tangerine. I love tangerines. Green grass, dark yellow, purple, black, yellow, light pink. There you go, boys and girls. I hope that was helpful. Bye.
Thanks for all your help, Elmo.
You're welcome. Bye.
Okay, kids, thanks for watching KBD Toys TV. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, rate, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.